Yeah. Yes, my passenger came from Netherlands. We are here in Abraham. Hi, sir. Good. Say hi.
Hi. He brought us safe.
Yeah, yeah. Terima kasih dulu.
Sundo, ako kung motor do, mudagan nito.
Want some cookies?
Oh.
For return?
Okay.
Yeah, you can take it.
Ito sa'yo.
Take all them.
Ah, okay.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Taasan tahan na. Yatag niya na ito rin. Very, very tall.
Yeah.
Guys, better. I'm going to
I can make a picture of you.
Okay.